all the drink. I'm gonna get some drink. Yesterday I ate the rice, fried rice. I didn't like it, to be honest. This place is super busy. It's only in the area. And I don't know. I'm a city girl. The fact that this place looks like New York and it's cheaper, I'm interested. Like, I feel like I'm in New York City. I like to see a lot of people. I like the energy. Like, when I'm in a place, the energy has to match my energy, because I love seeing a lot of people. I like traffic. I like movement. I like fast. I grew up in Paris, so definitely I like places with a lot of people and crazy area just like me. I like it. I don't know. Cheaper than New York. So we got her pizza and some chicken wings. I'm gonna do the total. I paid $55 for this total, because yesterday, to be honest with you, I bought fried rice. Ooh, yummy. I didn't like it, so I said, let me just get pizza and chicken wings. And so I pay for the pizza. The pizza I pay. No, actually, the pizza I paid $23.95, because there was like a discount of something. I forgot what was the discount I bought, but I got the one with discount. And that's rigid, right? Rigid, that's the money. And the chicken wings $31.90. So of $55.85 rigid. We're gonna do the total in US dollars. So 55 rigid and 85 cents, it's 11 US dollars and 86 cents. So that's not bad to have pizza. And yesterday I ate for probably $15. I don't know. I got lamb. Lamb is my favorite meat, and lamb is expensive. Fried rice, and I got the mango lassi. They didn't add any milk in it. It's just pure mango. And today I'm gonna get a green smoothie with green apple, celery, ginger, and what else? And mint. So I just like the fact that those things are real, because you know, in the United States nothing is real when it comes to food. You always have to be careful what you're eating. I like the fact that I'm eating healthy for not so expensive.